Okay, I am live and here I start. Fine. Okay. Yes. Kifu, Elon Musk, Smarty. Hello to everyone. Yes, I am Pravin Sonaune. You are watching India's most reliable and relevant educational channel where you get best in class study material and video lectures. Do check the links in the description box. Today, today's class is very important. We all know that a day before yesterday, ICSE or council or for that matter CISE, okay, they have given us a specimen paper, and this specimen paper was precisely available for English subject, okay, English both literature as well as language, along with that science, which is physics, chemistry, biology, and maths. Already I have discussed about the maths and physics paper earlier yesterday. Now today I have come up with the analysis for the biology paper. Now what is this? This is biology paper for your ICSE examination, which will be conducted in the month of March, okay, and February and March. Most probably it will start by the last week of February and it will go up to the third week of March. So that examination today we are going to start with this subject. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the specimen paper biology. Now discussing this specimen paper is very important because we all toil throughout the year. We all work hard throughout the year. What for? Getting good marks in the examination. And if our preparation for the examination is not proper, then we are not going to get good marks. So we have to understand ki what kind of questions will be asked in the examination, what will be the weightage of the question, and what will be the natures of the questions which are asked in the examination, whether a long question, whether a short question, diagram based question, what all kind of questions will be asked. That is very important. Once we know all that, then we can prepare accordingly. Otherwise we might prepare for a long answers, and in biology long answers will not be asked in the examination. So I was not about to make a video for biology, but when I went through this subject biology, I realized that there are so many changes in the pattern of asking the questions. Okay, so I thought it is very important that I make a video for biology so that you all don't make a mistake while preparation. We all teachers were waiting for this specimen paper so that we know what kind of preparation we can expect from the students, what should be our teaching methodology, so students are guided correctly and they are guided in such a way that they get good marks in the examination. So let us start with the specimen paper given to us by council or by CISCE. First of all, I am going to discuss the pattern of the paper. So this screen right now on your screen, what you see is the paper pattern. Okay, what kind of questions will be asked? What will be the weightage? How your biology paper is divided into two sections and other thing. Later on, we are going to see the actual question paper. Yes, I have the actual specimen paper given by the council. So we are going to discuss in great detail about this specimen paper also. Now be very attentive and be very careful, because this is the way you are going to prepare yourself for the examination. Okay, I could see many students are there. Welcome to all of you. So here we go. Biology paper, maximum marks is 80 marks paper. We all know 80 marks. 80 will be marks which you will be writing a paper, plus 20 marks will be your school activity, practicals, and all those things, right? So 80 plus 20. Now, time limit to solve this paper is 2 hours. Time limit to solve this paper is 2 hours, and your entire paper, 80 marks paper, is divided into two sections. Section A is for 40 marks, and all the questions in section A will be compulsory question. Yes, you don't have any option for this question. You have to solve each and every question. What does that mean? What is the implication of this section A compulsory question? It means that you cannot leave any chapter as an option. If you leave any particular chapter as an option, and if question appears from that particular chapter, then you will be at a loss. So earlier your seniors, it is pointless to talk what your seniors have done, but I'll just like to discuss with you all ki earlier there were 8 chapters in biology, but you poor chaps, you have 12 chapters, 4 chapters extra. And since section A is a compulsory question, you are not allowed to leave any chapter as a option. Moving on to section B, there is a relief in this section B. Here there will be total 6 question asked. 6 question, 10 marks each. But you have to solve any 4 out of this 6 question. There will be 6 set of question papers. Out of those 6, you have to solve any 4. 10 marks each, and 4 questions. So 40 marks. 40 marks for section A and 40 marks for section B. If you have any doubt, you can write in a chat box. I can go through your chats. Okay, if you have any doubt, let me know. Right? Now, this section A is very, very important because you will not get good marks if you are not thoroughly prepared for section A. And section A is also very important for the another reason, that it is compulsory section. Okay, all the questions are compulsory. Attempt all questions from this section, right? So question number 1, total weightage is 15 marks. 15 marks. Question number 1 is 15 marks, and question number 2 is 25 marks. 15 plus 25 is 40. So your section A is divided into two questions. Question number 1 carrying 50 marks, and question number 2 carrying 25 marks. So total weightage is 50 marks. Let us see both the questions one by one. First, we are going to concentrate on question number 1. Question number 1 will be MCQ type of question. So one question will be given to you. A question will be given to you followed by 4 options in a form of A, B, C, D. And you have to select one out of these 4 options. Look easy, but it can be tricky. Okay, you have to do lot of practice for MCQ based question. Don't worry at all. I have so many videos on YouTube whereby I have done a question related to MCQ, and this year also I am planning to come up with new set of MCQs, and I'll be going same way evening 8:30 live, where we together are going to solve MCQ questions. So please make sure that you just subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button, so that you get a time to time notification ki when I'm going to come live and which are the chapters which I'm going to take. At the same times, if you want me to take any particular chapter from any subject, okay, any particular chapter, you can let me know in the comment box. I'll make sure that I take that chapter also, maybe on a priority basis, right? So MCQ question, 15 question, 1 marks each. Weightage is 15 marks. Now listen carefully. Question number 2. As I said, for question number 2, weightage is 25 marks. Total weightage is 25 marks. But this 25, okay, 25, question number 2 is divided into 5 sub questions. I repeat, Question number 2, whose weightage is 25 marks. This question is divided into 5 sub questions. Okay, question number 2, sub question number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and each question carries 5 marks. So 5 into 5 is 25. 5 sub questions, each carrying 5 marks. And what will be the nature of this question? 1 mark each. This is also almost 1 mark each. 1 mark 5 question, 1 mark 5 question, 1 mark 5 question, and fourth and fifth also 1 mark 5 question. So the over here you have 40 questions for 40 marks. I repeat once again, 40 questions for 40 marks. Okay. So first question is name the following. First question is name the following, or it is also known as the write the technical term. Write the technical term. Okay, they will give you, okay, they will describe something and you have to write the name, right? Okay. Then second one is logical sequence. Again, I will like to tell you all ki if you go to my, okay, this is my YouTube channel. Name of the YouTube channel is PrepWin ICSE. On this channel, what you can do is you can go to a playlist and you can find out a playlist for biology. Okay, playlist for biology. Where is that? History, chemistry, biology. See here, there are 31 videos. Okay, I have a playlist for a special practical examination. You can check out this. Okay, in near future I'm going to come up with more and more videos for practical. Then for English, geography, what else, history, maths, chemistry, biology, physics, everything. And if you come here, you will see that there are so many videos. Okay, so many videos for biology. See, tips and trick to draw diagram. Tips and tricks to draw diagram. Generally, what happens? Teacher, they just show you. Okay, maybe on a screen or somewhere they show you a diagram. Okay, but if you go through this video, you will see that I have given tips and I have gone live. Okay, and I have drawn most of the diagrams. Here I have taught the easier way to draw a diagram. I have given you tips and tricks to draw a diagram. So in a specimen paper, this diagram is asked. In a specimen paper given by the council, okay, a diagram is asked to be drawn, and that diagram was LS of kidney. This diagram already I have done this. Just go through this diagram. This was a video I have taken before last year examination, and you will see that when you do something like this, everything becomes so very easy for you all, right? So coming here, okay, arrange arrange terms in a logical sequence. Earlier 5 terms were given and you need to arrange them in a sequence, in a proper sequence. But what I have seen in a specimen paper is that instead of 5 terms they have given only 4 terms. So maybe this thing have become easier. Instead of 5 terms they have given only 4 terms, and you have to arrange them in a proper sequence. Last year also I have taken made a video. Okay, went live where I have taken us made a special video for all these sequence, all the logical sequence from all the chapters. You can check out that video. Then match the following. Again, five marks, 1 mark each, and 5 marks. Okay, and then pick odd one out. When you pick odd one out, you will pick the odd term, and you will write how that is different from other 3 terms. Here also 4 terms will be given. Same like sequence, logical sequence. Okay, there you have to arrange those 4 terms in a proper logical sequence, and here you are going to pick odd one out, and you have to tell ki how that is different from the other 3. And then question number 5 will be related to location and function. So maybe one question will be here and other might be in the, if they ask location in a compulsory question, they will ask function as the optional one. Or maybe they will ask function here, function wala question in the compulsory section A, which is a compulsory question. All the questions you have to solve from question A, and the other one from the optional, from the section B where you have a option. So in biology, when you are preparing yourself for the board examination, please make sure that you all prepare for locations and functions properly, because it carries 5 marks. How to write a correct location, how to write a correct function, how to write odd one out, how to write a logical sequence. I have made small videos of 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Please go through each and every video properly. Okay, that will be of immense help to you all. Okay, so we can check out the biology list if possible. Okay, see here how to draw diagram. Then see this, true or false, how to write it correctly, because when it is a false statement you have to a give a correct statement. Okay, this video is just 1 minute and 49 seconds. Then functions, then location, everything, go through this list. There are 31 videos as of now, and this list will keep on adding and increasing. Okay, so check out this. It will be of immense help to you all. Right, coming back to this, let's see let's see section B, which is the optional, thing. Okay, which is the optional one. Okay, here you have to attempt any four questions. How many questions are given to you? One, two, three, four, five, and six. In maths, you are given seven questions, one extra choice. Okay, one extra option. And you here there are six, and you have to attempt any four. Okay, so all these questions are of same nature. Okay, whether a question number three, it will be having five sub questions. Okay, question number three will be having one, two, three, four, five sub question. Question number four also will be of same manner, five sub question. Fifth also, sixth also, all questions are of same type. Okay, you will see that question number one will be for 1 mark each. Okay, question number one will carry only 1 mark, and generally here they might ask you a definition. Okay, definition or the explanation of the term. For 1 mark they may ask you definition or explanation, or maybe location or function, right? Or maybe location and function. Rest three questions, that is question number 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. Okay, it is 2 marks each. This is a change over here. This is a change over here. Okay, earlier also, okay, differentiate between was for 2 marks. I think this paper, specimen paper, this also include a differentiate between, which is for 2 marks. Change is that give reason they have asked for 2 marks. So maybe you have to, when you write the answer for give reasons, you will write the elaborate answer. Okay, covering all the points, right? So this will be 2 marks each, and question number one will be 1 mark each, and it might be a definition or give reason or differentiate between or write the causes or effect, location, function. We have seen in compulsory in section A, if you get location, then section B will include function, and if section A include function, then section B will include location. Then examples also, give two examples of this, that. Okay, that can be asked. And come here, I want you all to focus on this question properly. That is 3 marks question. Now this 3 mark question is a diagram based question, and there are two kinds of diagram based question. Either a diagram will be given to you followed by three questions. Diagram will be given to you followed by three questions. Earlier, this diagram based question was for 5 marks. I repeat once again, earlier the diagram based question, the weightage for diagram based question was 5 marks, but now this has been reduced to 3 marks. A diagram is given to you followed by three questions, and you have to answer those three questions. And it can be a diagram based question. Say this will be a diagram. Question number three, diagram is given, and you have to answer the question. Question number four, again diagram is given, and you have to write the answers. Here also. But you can expect two questions. Okay, any two questions. Let us say seventh and eighth, where diagram you will have to draw a diagram. Diagram will not be given 3 marks. Okay, so they will ask you in a specimen paper. They have asked you to draw LS of kidney, lateral section of kidney, and label three parts. Any three parts. In your textbook, if you go through your diagram, there are about 8 to 9 parts which are labeled in your textbook. Out of those 8 9 label parts, you have to label only 3. Okay, they will ask any, they will not give you an option, they will tell you like from kidney you have to show the renal pyramid, or you have to show the hilum. Okay, so they will tell you 3 parts and you have to label accordingly. So here most of the student, when it comes to drawing a diagram, most of the student lose marks here. Most of the students lose marks here. Okay, believe me, drawing diagram in biology is not at all difficult, because what they see is the accuracy of your diagram and not your artistic skill, how good you are in diagram. If you are good in diagram, then it is icing on the cake. But if your diagram is proportionate, proper length and breadth, and if you show all the parts properly, you will get marks for the diagram. Don't lose these 3 marks. If last year, okay, in semester 2 examination in 2022, you are going to write examination in 2023. In 2022, they have asked two diagrams in the examination. One was related to neuron, write a new draw neuron and label the parts. And I think second was ls of kidney. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask me, otherwise I have covered everything. No, we also have to go through a specimen paper. Let us read each and every line properly. So according to first line, ICSE 2023 examination, very good. Specimen question paper. This is a paper provided by the board. Subject is biology and science. Paper is 3. Paper 1 is physics, paper 2 is chemistry, and paper 3 is biology. I already have prepared a same video for physics and maths also. If you want a video for chemistry also, let me know in the comment box. I'll come up with the video for chemistry also. Maximum marks is 80. Time allowed, you are allowed to write paper for 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours. And 15, okay, 15 minutes will be a reading time. Okay, your first 15 minutes will be a reading time, and then you will start writing. Okay, when you are in your first 15 minutes, that is reading time, in that period you are not allowed to write the answers. You will be provided with a different answer sheet, separate answer sheet. Question paper is different, answer paper is different. Some of the schools have a worksheet kind of thing. They have a question and student have to write answer in that same question paper. But your board examination is not like that. Question paper is different and answer paper is different. You are going to write your answer on a separate paper, separate papers or sheets provided to you. Okay, time to spend in reading the question paper, 15 minutes. Okay, the time given at the head of this paper, that is what, 2 hours. Okay, is allowed to writing the answer. Section A is compulsory. A is compulsory, and any 4 from section B. Any 4 out of 6 given questions from section B. Okay, the intended mark. Okay, this box. Okay, intended mark. Just a second, I'll. Okay. So the marks given here in a box is the weightage for that particular question. As we have discussed earlier, okay, these are MCQ based question. Okay, MCQ based question. One question will be given and followed by 4 options A, B, C, D. You have to select the correct one. You have to select the correct one, right? So 1, 2, 3. So 15 marks for this question. Question number 1, weightage is 15 marks. And there are 15 sub question, 1 mark each. 12, 13, 14, 15. Then comes question number 2. Question number 2 is divided into 5 questions. Okay, 5 questions, each carrying 5 marks. Okay, so question 2A, name the following 5 sub question, 1 mark each. Okay, 5 question, 1 mark each. Arrange the sequence and rewrite the terms in each group in the correct order so as to be in a logical sequence, beginning with the term that is underlined. This should be your first term, or first term, right? They have made a change over here. This should be your first term, and out of 3 you have to rearrange. Earlier this underlining was not there, and instead of 4 terms there were 5 terms. So this is a change. So if you are buying up notes from a market which are readily available, please make sure that they are in a proper order. Otherwise you will be turn up losing your valuable money, okay, on the notes which are not up to the marks. Okay, then see here, 5 marks. 5 marks for match the following. So 5 options A, B, C, D, E on the left hand side and 7 options on the right hand side. We all love options, we like options, but this is the only question. Yes, match the following is the only question where we don't want options. If there are 5 questions here, there should be 5 answers on the other side, right? Okay, then coming to odd one out, you have to select the odd options. Okay, you have to select the odd options. Okay, lacrimal gland. Okay, this is the odd one. Then you have to write why this is the odd one. Okay, because this is what? Uh, Exocrine gland, and the others are what? Endocrine glands. Okay, and this one is the exocrine gland, like that. Okay, so odd one you have to select. Then location, you have location over here. Function then you will get in the optional question. Okay, in the compulsory question. Look at this section B. Okay, you have to solve any 4 out of what? Out of 6. Okay, and how is this divided? 1 mark, 1 mark. Okay, 1 mark, 1 mark, 2 marks, and 2 marks. And this 3 marks question, okay, you will see a diagram is given to you. You will see that diagram is given to you, followed by 3 questions. 1 mark each, 1 mark each, right? 3 questions, 1 mark each, and you have to answer this question based upon this diagram which shows some plant physiology. Okay, so this question is related to that. Okay, so this question you will see that out of 6 questions there will be at least 2 questions where you need to draw a diagram will not be provided. Okay, they will ask you to draw a particular diagram, and they will ask you to label 3 parts. Okay, anyway, this is a diagram based question. Coming to question number 4, again questions are same, 1 2 2, and then what? 3 marks question, which is a diagram based question. Okay, so this is a stage of mitosis, right? And then questions followed by 3 questions followed by this, followed by a diagram, 1 mark each. Here also you are getting a diagram based question. Question number 5, again same, 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3. Look here, you have to draw a neat label diagram. Okay, so here diagram is not given, you have to draw a diagram, right? So at least two diagrams you can expect in your examination. Okay, again here 1 mark, 2 mark, 2 marks, and then 3 marks. Okay, this internal organ of a human ear, diagram followed by 3 questions for 1 mark each. Then seventh also. Okay, 1 mark, 2 mark, 2 marks, 2 mark, and here you have to draw a diagram or of a cross section of artery and vein. Both the diagrams, okay, both the diagrams. I have a video for both the diagrams, for kidney as well as artery and vein. You can check out that video. Okay, you can check out that video, and when you are watching that video, please make sure that you are sitting with your notebook and a pencil. Even eraser is not allowed. Once you start drawing a diagram with me, you will find that drawing a diagram is very very easy, and I am sure you are going to love drawing a diagram. Okay, and diagram will not be a fear for you. Okay, if you are not good at drawing, I will urge every one of you to please watch that video. Then coming to question number 8, again 1 2 2, and then this will be a diagram based question. Okay, 3 marks. A diagram is given followed by 3 questions. Okay, this was your biology paper. Let me know if you have any doubt. Otherwise I'm ending this session. Okay, please check out this video. Okay, diagram, each and every diagram which is there in the examination, these are the diagrams which are frequently asked in the examination. Okay, if you want any other diagram also, you can ask me. Okay, I'll come live and I'll teach you a technique of drawing a diagram. Even a difficult diagram like heart, human heart, we have taken that also. Okay, so go through this carefully. Okay, through this list carefully. Right? Any doubt, let me know. Otherwise, I am done with. Okay, whatever information I have to tell you, I have told you. Okay, nothing from my side now. Okay, so no doubt, sir, no doubt, sir, no doubt, sir. Okay, fine. So now it's time to say goodbye. I'll see you all in my next class. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can type it. And even if you are watching this video as is in a recorded form, you can type your questions in the comment box. Okay, भाई comment box तो आपका ही है. जो भी आपका demand होगा वो comment box में आपको लिखना है. Your demand is a command for me. I'll definitely try to fulfill your demand, right? So can I end this class? Chalo, bye bye bye. See you tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow in my next class. Chalo, bye bye bye. See you all in my next class. Okay, chalo, bye bye bye.